Menteri Rangba Kemenkelia Ukuan Rat Ke Sangma Ene de Ektiu Yaga Baha Wanengkong Ko Ciklor Apok Kemenkelia Healthcare Advancement Policy MHAP Cak Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jowai. Warok Yarap Depo Ga Arklor Wedau Yo Ega Baha Waar Hadin Wadada Upenyo Wadada Pen MKam Ya Keciklor Wada Ejba Wa Yaga Ni Poisa Open MKam Ka Ada Hospital Kat Kamu MKam Ki Nado Otit Tiar Upencenaya Ki Wada Si Wa Ki Wiki Wide. Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Deman Ga Hospital Wasan Wa Yo Ini Yarap Apok Ke MHAP War e cagi tau sumar wa penlai dagi sanyam wagi sanyum to ne bentai yo nong wa ne liang sarkar lebo ke chapau kloro e rap cagi ni santali ki tau sumar ukon ra ong wa ini imto e rap ci sen don hit ang wa isdang ye kre lang wa yak ni poisa wa e rap yu pen mkam kat wa yo biang hospital wa kat kam mkam yaga yalang da penlai da Reverend S Lemre wa pen senyawi senyango wa depan irap ulet ne bentai ka nursing school ne liang Dr. Dinong Plo medical superintendent da ong wa da mkam hau the yaki renal dialysis unit they were ida wa kat ni bon ki ketut wa ki bru to ki wumpor uwi na uwi.
That Meghalaya is the highest spender in the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend 8% of our budget on health. And through that, in the last 7 years, most of the government infrastructure, large investments have been made to improve it. A lot more needs to be done. I'm not saying that we are done, or I'm not saying that we have achieved everything. Absolutely not. It's a very long journey. But we have been able to improve the overall infrastructure at the grassroots level. That Meghalaya has or had the highest maternal mortality rate. We were in 230 plus. For those who don't know what that means 230 deaths per lakh. And the national average in 2018 was 113 when we took over, which means we were double the national average. And at that point in time when I took over, the first question that came to my mind is that this is absolutely not acceptable. A mother is bringing life to this world. And if we have to lose the mother's life while she brings life into this world, I think it's one of the most saddest things. And that's when our journey to fight maternal mortality started. It was a very passionate move, I should say. What you're seeing in front of you right now is the program to save mothers' lives. The CM Safe Motherhood program we started. Friends, this is live. This is on the internet. This is not data that we're just showing you that is in the computer. This is as we speak right now. Just come up to the top part. So what we started doing, okay, you're showing this. I just want to show the active mothers. Yeah. So this is live. Meghalaya today monitors every single pregnant mother in the state. This is live. And as we speak right now, there are 39,424 pregnant mothers. And we exactly know who is in which trimester.